Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I did a quick Google search, and do you know what the most common question right now is for new crocheters? What size hook to buy? That's the most common question. So we are going to answer that today. Finding the right hook when you're a newbie. Okay, so when you're brand new to crocheting, the first thing you want to do is just jump right in. You just want to get to it. You want to start a project. You want to learn. I get it. I want that instant gratification most of the time, and I've been crocheting for years. So I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible for you. Buying a new hook it's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. All hooks have sizes. I'm just going to show you this. I just bought this yesterday. Not sure how much you can see here. But those numbers there mean something, okay? That is the size of the hook. Basically what you want to do is match up that size with the size that the yarn is calling for. This is really, really awkward. Hold on a second. I might need a cameraman to hold this. I should just be using a tripod. Hold on. Okay. So if you look at this yarn, can you see it? It tells you what size hook you're going to need. This needs the 5.5 millimeter. And just look what's on this package, a 5.5 millimeter. That's it. It's really that simple. Okay, as you go into your crocheting adventure, let's call it that, you're going to learn your tension and, whether you crochet tight or you crochet loose, you're going to learn all that stuff. You're going to figure that out. But right now, when you're just starting out, you just need to know what size matches your yarn. That's all you need to know. So I think what the best option for you to do as a beginner, though, is to just buy a full set. They're not that expensive. I was in Michael's just yesterday and I saw a full set of crochet hooks. I want to say they were $11, $11.99, something like that. Definitely under $20 though. And then when you start to explore different kinds of yarn, which you're going to want to do, that's the fun of crochet. As you see, you like to look at different kinds of yarn. You're going to be all set. You're going to have everything that you need for any type of yarn. So my recommendation, get the full set, but when you're using each hook, just match it with whatever, the yarn is recommending on the label. It's that simple. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and we'd love to see you over at the Facebook page. So come on over and show us your creations. I'd love to see what you're making. Alrighty, and of course, if you like this video, click like, no pressure. And if you choose to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll try to put it right here. Hit the notification bell, and then you'll be alerted when I have a new video out. All right, everybody, you have a great day. Take care, be safe, and happy hooking. Bye-bye.